Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another tutorial video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Glory and you're welcome to Naturally Hair Addicts. So today we are going to be making ponytail, the most natural looking ponytail, and all you'll be needing is a drawstring cap, your combs, a needle and thread to sew the combs down onto your hairnet, and your crochet hook. So the first thing you'll be doing is sewing down your combs to the hairnet. After sewing it down, this is what your comb should look like on the hairnet. It is just going to sit in place and it is not going to fall off even if you decide to dance all day. Now you can go ahead to sew the second comb on the hairnet. Remember I said we're going to be having two combs. One is going to stay at the front of your head and the other is going to stay at the back of your head to help you hold down your ponytail. And let's not forget to be needing some pins to help you hold down the dummy cap on the mannequin head. This way your cap is going to sit in place and it will make your work very easy. We are making use of a water wave hair in color XB. This is me trying to make use of a large crochet hook and it didn't work. And I decided to use the other crochet hook I have, the smaller version of it, and it broke, guys. Today of all days, my crochet hook decided to disappoint me, which is as crazy as I can imagine. So after dragging your hair through the net, you are going to tie it down twice, and this is what we are going to be doing all through in this video. So make sure you watch this tutorial video to the very end, guys. Make sure to watch it to the end, as that way you get to understand this better and see for yourself how it is done. Now take your crochet hook through the net, close it, drag the hair out, create a loop, tie it down the first time and tie it down again, drag it and make sure it stays as tight as possible. So doing it this way, your hair isn't going to fall off even if you drag it 10 times in a day. No one does that, I believe so. So we are going to be filling the sides up before moving to the front, then the middle. I don't know if you guys understand. Fill the sides, then move along, just like in a circular motion, right? Then move along, move along and back to the middle. And since this is the water with hair, I have in my bottle a mixture of water and leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going to spray it. And now we can go ahead and wear our ponytail. We are done. We can wear our ponytail. Oh my god, this looks so good. It looks so pretty. Is it the hair or is it me that is looking this good? I have no idea. If you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I am sure you guys could tell how excited I am for my looks. God, I am so excited. This came out really well. I really hope you guys are going to try this. I hope so. And yes, we are done. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you find it useful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao.